Hello everyone, welcome. This video will lead you to get acknowledged with Safemoon Cash. So without wasting time, let's get started. Safemoon Cash is a rug-proof, ownership, renounced community-driven project on Binance Smart Chain. Bitcoin Cash reached an ATH of 0.25 Bitcoin. Their first goal is for Safemoon Cash to reach 25% of Safemoon's peak market capitalization. They are fully committed and determined to make this happen, but their ambitions go much further. Safemoon Cash believe they can be a household name in time and a long-standing top 25 crypto project. Safemoon Cash is deadly serious and they believe their tokenomics are superior to those of Safemoon, and so is their community. Safemoon is 100% community driven. This is what makes them strengthy and makes them stand out. Safemoon Cash has an incredibly dedicated community who all bring a multitude of skills to the table. Their core team consists of tech enthusiasts, graphic designers, software fanatics, and marketing specialists who are all passionate about cryptocurrency. Safemoon Cash will bring various use cases to the world of crypto that will set them apart from the masses. Safemoon Cash was stealth launched by members of the BSC community after Safemoon reached a market cap of over $4 billion. With its high transaction costs, it's the early holders of Safemoon Cash that profit most. Safemoon Cash gives its holder passive rewards through static reflections. By stating Safemoon Cash in a pool, it raises its own capital, ensuring liquidity. With the help of their community, not just the sky, but rather the galaxy is the limit. Everybody is welcome and everybody is equal on Safemoon Cash. If you want to learn more about Safemoon Cash, then you should visit their official website, which is www.safemooncash.org, or you can follow them on various social media community like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Telegram, etc. Thanks for watching the video.